Meaning of doctoral.
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 Doctoral. Doctoral refers to the highest level of academic degree granted by a university or college. It typically requires several years of study, culminating in the completion of a thesis or dissertation. Doctoral programs are usually offered in fields such as science, engineering, humanities, business, and social sciences. The degree is meant to signify the holder's mastery of a particular subject area, as well as their ability to conduct independent research and make original contributions to their field. In short, a doctoral degree is a symbol of advanced knowledge, expertise, and scholarship in a specific discipline.